and welcome back to my channel. On today's first Halloween makeup tutorial look, I am going to show you guys how to get this veiny, gory, zombie-esque vibe for your Halloween makeup look. I had so much fun doing it, and for this video I wanted to do a voiceover too, because if I kept showing you guys the products and everything, I just feel like it was gonna make the video much more longer than what it is. So for this video, we are going to head it on into a voiceover. But before we do, and before we kick back and relax, when you see this video, please don't forget, if you are not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. I had so much fun creating this look. I think it's very my vibe. Like, I love doing makeup looks like this, so be on the lookout because this is the first of many crazy fun and just having a good time for Halloween. So if you guys want to see how to get this crazy bloody mess, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to do the eyeshadow look, and I am using the James Charles palette collabing with Morphe, and the first color I am using is Spooky, and I'm going to use that all over the lid. And I've already prepped and primed my face, and as you can already tell, I've already done the other eye. So I just wanted to speed up this process, as you could tell right here too, and go ahead and just set this all over the lid. Now going in for my blending crease color, I'm going to use two colors in the Morphe James Charles palette. Love that, which is the maroon color, and also another color that I'm going to mix those two in is You're Kidding, which is that red color. And the look that we're trying to go for is more of a dead eye red black eyeshadow, because again, zombies do have that eye look to them. So we're going to blend these two colors in with Spooky, so that way everything looks blended in together. I'm going to do brows off camera, and then we're going to do the face. So brows on and face is about to be on with the Flash palette that I got. It's called CC Beauty. Great dupe for the Makeup Forever Flash palette. I will link it down in my description box below, so go ahead and check it out. I bought it off of Amazon and it's so good. It's also very easy to take off, and on top of that, it comes with that little paintbrush that I'm using. And I'm also using a makeup wedge, those disposable ones that you can get anywhere at the drugstore, like Walgreens, Walmart, CVS, whatever. But I'm going to take that color and paint all over the face. The next step is I'm taking the Spectrum palette, which I thought I showed it on here, but I guess I didn't. And it's the Profusion one. And I took the green color, which is called Lucky, and I'm setting that all over my face. But you could take any green eyeshadow that you have in your makeup collection, just so that way that the paint doesn't crease throughout the night. Now the next step that we are going to do is we're going to contour our face. So I went back to the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm mixing in both No Beans and Spooky. But if again you don't have that palette, you could just mix in any brown and black color together, because we do need that chiseled cheeks look, because if you look at a picture of a zombie, they're contoured too. So we got to do it to ourselves. Now, after contouring, I took a little tiny pencil brush that came with the CC Beauty makeup paint, and I thought I was going to use the Profusion Spectrum palette to do the vein look, but I decided to go back in with the Morphe James Charles palette, and I mixed 3 eyeshadow colors, which is Love That, which is that maroon color that we used on our blending crease, and You're Kidding. But I also mixed a purple eyeshadow color, which is called Escape. And what I'm doing is I'm drawing triangular squiggly lines all over my face, literally all over my face, because we're trying to give that veiny look to ourselves. And veins, if you ever see it, they're very the cool tone, so it's like blue, purple, reds. So definitely I wanted to incorporate that. So all you need is just a small pencil brush, even like a liner brush, that's even perfect, and just mix those colors in together. And don't even make the lines perfect, because as you can see right here, I'm making all squiggly lines, but in triangular formations for my vein look. So the next step that I wanted to show you guys on how to do an affordable rotted skin look if you don't have latex glue, which I didn't, as you could tell. I'm using toilet paper and eyelash glue. Now this trick will help out a lot when you want to give yourself that rotted face. So what you do is you get a thin layer of your toilet paper, you rip it up into squiggles, because again, whenever you cut or have like something rotting to yourself, it does like that ripple effect all over the skin. And you're going to lay the eyelash glue
where all those edges were, not all over the toilet paper, just on the edge, because after we're done laying everything down, well, wherever it is that you want to have the rotted face, we're going to go and blend that in. So we're going to go back in that CC Beauty Flash color palette, and also taking that green color and just blending that in to the skin, so that way it looks a little bit more skin-like. And after that, I will show you guys my favorite part, which, can you guys guess what the next step is gonna be? I'll give you a minute. Well, you're gonna see right now what my favorite part is. Yes, it is the blood part. Now, the blood that I am using, it's the brand Graftobian blood paste. It's 1 fluid ounce, and I got it off of Amazon, which I will link it down below. This is so perfect, especially for this zombie look. And what I used was a little tiny paintbrush that came again with the CC Beauty Flash color palette. But what I'm doing is I'm taking that blood paste. It's a thick material, so just to let you know the consistency, not material, the consistency is thick, so you got to work with it. But we're going to put that all over the edge, so that way the edges are blended in and our skin looks even more peely and bloody and just very gory. How I like my makeup on Halloween. The last step that I did was liner and lashes, and finally the lip, which I wanted to show you guys how to get this ombre dark red lip color. So the first thing I did was, as you could tell, I lined my lips with Morphe color pencil in the shade Makeup Talk, and then I took the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Merlot. Now, if you don't have like a deep maroon red lip liner, you can use your eyeliner that you used for your eyes as your lip pencil. So what I did was I used my LA Girl Cosmetics black eyeliner, and I just waited for the lip color to dry. And once they dried down, I grabbed my eyeliner and I started from the outer corners of my lips and slowly and gradually just filled it in little by little and used my finger to blend it in to give it that ombre dark red to red lip color, because I didn't want too dark of a red, but I also didn't want a too bright of a red color. And as you can see right here, I'm just building it up little by little. And then once you have that, that will complete the lip color. And then you'll see the final step of the video.
And this is the completed look. Let me know what you guys think. But this is the end of the first of many Halloween tutorial looks that I will have for you guys. Now, to finish her off, you could definitely dress her up very pin-up-y, very Vargas style, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit more on the makeup side. Now, I should have had it, but I can't find my pleather jacket. So if you have something like that, definitely throw it on with the corset and then you be it, girl. But this is the end of part 1 of many Halloween looks this month for the month of October. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed it. Share this video, and please don't forget, if you are not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and turn on that post notification bell so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. But until next time, te quiero mucho, mis amores. Mwah! And I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.